If you're an CPA marketer and you're finding it difficult getting conversions to your CPA marketing offers right here, make sure you do watch this video to the end, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a simple strategy that you can use to start making at average $5.32 each and every 10 minutes right here using this particular strategy. So make sure you do watch this video, make sure you do stick on to the end right here. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing and how to make money online with affiliate marketing and other AI tools. So make sure you do watch this video right here, or you do go on to checking out those particular content if you are actually interested in such types of content, as they could be helpful to you in making extra income online. With that being said, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to make sure you are registered for a CPA marketing platform out there. You could use the CPA grip right now, and guys, you could just simply click on register right now if you don't have an account, where you'll be brought to this page right here. All you actually have to do is to fill out this form right here appropriately, and you want to just simply go on to focusing more on the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs. As you can see, it indicates the required fields which you must fill before your account can be created on this platform. So once you do fill out all this section, for this publisher type, make sure you do select the website/instance or the GPT, as that is actually going to help you get your account approved quite instantly right now. You could also go on to checking out the terms of services right here, and you could just simply agree to that if those terms of services are actually suitable to you. Then you could click on register after filling out this form right here, and your account should be created almost immediately, where you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So once you are brought to the dashboard guys, you then want to just simply move on to the next step. Now for the next step guys will be to getting a content where you want to just simply use right here for this exact strategy, and you want to just simply get the content in a very good niche. And one cool niche right here which you could focus on is the make money online niche. So if I do search for make money online right here, you'll be able to see a lot of videos right here that are on this particular niche right here, where you could just simply go on to selecting one of this video right now and using that right here for this particular strategy. But guys, it is important that you do make sure you don't go on to breaking any YouTube rules right here, or breaking any rules of copyright. That's why you want to just simply make sure you ask for permission for that particular video before you can then go on to using it. But you can just simply narrow this search down, which is the make money online Andy Cardwell, and you'll be able to see a lot of videos right here on this particular niche right now. And guys, you can just simply see these videos on this make money online niche right here. And if you do actually take permission from this particular content creator on YouTube to actually go on to using his video, and if he do give you that permission, you can then just simply go on to using this person's video right now. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply click on that video. So right here I did pause the video right now. What you want to do right now is to come right here, click on share, and once you do click on share, you could see the YouTube link to this particular video right now. You could just simply copy that link right here. As you can see, the link has actually been copied to your clipboard. So once that link has actually been copied, you then want to just simply move on to the next step. So right now you just want to go onto YouTube on Google and search for the YouTube thumbnail grabber, and you can just simply go on to selecting any one of these particular sites right now. I'm just going to select this one right here. And if I do select this right here guys, you can see this section which says paste your thumbnail URL. I'm going to paste in that URL for that thumbnail right now, and you can see this is the exact same thumbnail that was generated right now. You can then just simply go on to downloading this thumbnail right here by just simply right clicking on the image and just simply click on save image as, and you can actually do go on to saving this particular thumbnail on your mobile devices right here. So once this particular thumbnail has actually been saved, we then want to just simply move on to the next step. So guys, for this next step right here, you want to just simply come onto this platform which is called canva.com, and if you do head on to Canva, you want to come right here, click on upload, and you just want to go on to choosing that particular thumbnail from your device right here. So right now I'm just going to click on use in a new design right now. So guys, as you can see right here, this particular thumbnail has actually been added right here. What you want to just simply go on to doing is head on to this element section, and you just want to go on to searching for the play button. And if you do search for the play button, I could just simply go on to clicking on see all, and you'll be able to see lots and lots of play icons right here, which you could then go on to using right now. You can see some are actually having this crown right here, which indicates that you actually need to be registered for the pro version of Canva before you can actually go on to using that. So right now I'm just going to use this one right here. If I do go on to dragging this one right now and putting it right here, I could just simply centralize that, and you can see how it actually looks like right now. So they will actually need to go on to clicking on this play icon right here. So what you want to do right now is that once this particular icon is right here, next you want to just simply go on to clicking on this share icon, and do go on to clicking on download, and download this thumbnail right here on your mobile devices. So once you do download this thumbnail right now, you want to just simply move on to the next step, which is to head onto this platform called the sites.google.com, otherwise known as Google Sites, to go on to creating a kind of landing page or a page. You want to just simply come right here, click on this blank icon right here to actually go on to creating a new site right now. So once you do come right here to this section, I'm just going to come right here and delete this section right here. So if I do come right here, click on this delete icon, that section has actually been deleted. I could double click on this and actually do go on to selecting an image right here. Or I could just simply use this image section right here, click on upload, and do go on to uploading that particular thumbnail image from my device. So right here guys, you can see that the image has actually been added right here. I can then just simply go on to aligning this image by taking it to the center right here of this particular page. Then I could then just simply go on to making the image quite bigger right now. And once I make the image quite bigger, I'm just going to stretch it to this section and also stretch this side also right here to this section. So you can see how the image actually looks right here. What you want to do next is that you want to just simply go on to add in a text box. I could add in a text box and actually drag this text box right here to the top. You also want to just simply go on to typing in something quite cool, or you want to just simply use that exact same title for this video right here. I could just simply come right here, copy this video title as you can see right now. I'm just going to head back to my landing page and actually do go on to pasting that right here in this section. And once I do paste that in right now, I'm just going to go on to making that bold and changing the font color right here so that it will be much more visible right here. I could even go on to reducing the font size to actually make it a lot more better right now. Maybe I'm just going to select the 18 right here, and I'm just going to make sure I go on to aligning this right here to centralize, and you can actually see how this looks like right here. So what you want to do right now is to also add in a text box, and that text box should be at the bottom. And for that text box, you just want to just simply go on to typing in something quite similar to this. So you can see right here, this is what this video says. Learn how to make this particular amount per week using Google News. Click here to watch the full video, and you can then just simply highlight this click here right here and do go on to add in a link right here to this particular section. So what you want to do right now guys, is I want to leave this page open, and then want to just simply head on to the CPA grip right here, which you did create your account earlier. Go on to the monetization tool, click on URL file lockers, and you want to just simply go on to generating a new URL file locker by clicking on create one right here. You could read through the terms of services. I'm just going to come right here, click on agree to terms of services, click on continue, and you want to just simply go on to generating a URL file locker right now. And to do that guys, you want to just simply head on back to this particular video link. Just simply go on to clicking on share and copy the link right here to this video once more. Head back to your content locker and do go on to pasting that in this locked URL. So once you do lock that particular content in the locked URL, go on to the template and select a kind of template which you do want right now. I could just simply select the human verification template right here, go back to the particular section and actually do edit this based on my preference. So once I do actually go on to editing all this section right now, I could come right here, this access time, I could come right here and increase the access time or reduce that to maybe 3 hours right here or 6 hours, meaning that if they actually do click on this link and complete an offer, if they come back within 3 hours, they will also have to complete an offer again to gain access to that particular video. I'm just going to click on save right here, and guys, once this actually do go on to saving, I could just simply come right here, click on get link, and if I do click on get link right here guys, as you can see, I could just simply copy the link to this particular content locker, head back to my landing page which I was creating earlier, and go on to maybe adding this particular link right here by clicking on this link icon and pasting that particular link right here. Click on apply, and that will actually be applied. You also want to just simply add that to this image also by clicking on the image, click on this link icon and actually pasting that particular link right there. Click on apply. so that once they actually do go on to clicking on this play button, it's automatically going to take them to my content locker, where they actually have to complete an offer first before they can gain access to this particular video. So once you do this right here, go on to clicking on publish, and you want to just simply go on to maybe giving it a website name. So right here you can see that this address has actually been taken right here. I'm just going to keep on trying till I can actually do get something that is not taken, and you can see this is not taken right now. I could just simply go on to clicking on publish, and right now I could just simply come right here, click on this link icon, and this is my unique link right here to this particular landing page. So what you want to do right now is that you want to just simply go on to promoting this, and you want to just simply use a cool platform right here called Twitter right now. So guys, once you're right here on this particular platform called Twitter right here, you could just simply go on to the writing something cool right here. Once you make sure you're on this section which says for you, you want to just simply come right here to this section and actually do go on to writing something. And I could just simply write in a post such as this which says, hey guys, any one of you have ever tried to make money using Google? I have found this video that helped me. Give it a try. I want to hear some opinions first. And once you actually do go on to using this right here, just want to click on full stop right now, and do come to this bottom section and do add in some cool hashtags such as, so I could just simply add in these cool hashtags right here which says hashtag make money online, hashtag Google, hashtag make money on Google. And if you do add in all these hashtags that can actually help your particular content, head back to your landing page, copy the link to your landing page right here, and actually do go right here and pasting it right here in this section. And guys, once you do post that particular stuff on this particular platform called Twitter is actually going to help you go on to promoting that. And if that does not actually go get onto a lot of audience, you can actually do an extra step right now. So guys, the additional step would be to head onto this platform called the addmefast.com, and this platform is a platform where you can actually do go on to increasing your social media presence by actually increasing the type of comments or increasing the repost or likes to that particular post on social media. And you can actually do that by actually giving some people points or vote right here. You can actually use that by giving people points and vote. But you also actually do go on to earning your own point of votes by either paying on this platform or just simply liking other people's comments, doing other people's micro job by commenting, posting, and actually liking their videos right there. And in doing so guys, you should be able to earn some coins and actually do go on to boosting your particular social media presence or promoting a particular post right now. And you can see right here, AdMeFast is a network that will help you grow your social media presence. It is easy and free registration right here, and more than 400 daily bonus points for active users. And you can see right here that the AdMeFast doesn't sell likes, it doesn't subscribe, it don't sell like, don't sell subscribe, it don't sell followers, views, or hit. We will never request for usernames and password of your social network account, and will never post tweets or update status from your account right here. But they actually help you go on to building your social media presence by actually adding likes, subscribe, follow, views, and a lot more other stuff right here. So use this platform right here, follow the necessary procedures to boost that particular social media post which you did post right here on Twitter. So that's it for now guys. I hope this video did help you. If yes, why not just simply go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.